Hey everyone, welcome back to FitQuest. Do you struggle with rounded shoulders? You're not alone. Poor posture from sitting at a desk, scrolling on your phone, or even stress can lead to this common issue. But don't worry, today, I'll show you how to fix rounded shoulders and build a stronger, more confident upper body. Let's get started. Rounded shoulders happen when your shoulders slump forward, often due to tight chest muscles and weak upper back muscles. Over time, this can lead to poor posture, neck pain, and even breathing problems. The good news, with the right exercises and habits, you can correct it. First, we need to loosen up tight chest muscles. Try these stretches. Doorway stretch. Stand in a doorway, place your forearms on the frame, and gently lean forward until you feel a stretch in your chest. Hold for 30 seconds. Behind the back stretch. Clasp your hands behind your back, straighten your arms, and lift them slightly. Hold for 30 seconds. Do these stretches daily to open up your chest. Next, let's strengthen the muscles that pull your shoulders back. Here are 3 great exercises. Face pulls. Use a resistance band or cable machine. Pull the band toward your face, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Rows. Use dumbbells or a resistance band. Pull the weight toward your torso, keeping your elbows close to your body. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Superman. Hold. Lie face down, lift your arms and legs off the ground and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times. These exercises will help you build a stronger, more upright posture. Tight shoulders can also contribute to rounded posture. Try these mobility drills. Shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders backward in slow, controlled circles. Do 10 reps. Wall angels. Stand with your back against a wall, arms in a W position. Slide your arms up and down while keeping contact with the wall. Do 10 reps. These moves will help you regain proper shoulder alignment. Fixing rounded shoulders isn't just about exercises, it's also about practicing good posture every day. Here's how. Sitting, keep your feet flat on the floor, shoulders back, and screen at eye level. Standing, imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. Engage your core and relax your shoulders. Walking, keep your chin parallel to the ground and swing your arms naturally. Need extra support? Try using a posture corrector or resistance band to remind your shoulders to stay back. Just don't rely on them too much. Your muscles need to do the work. Consistency is key. Aim to do these stretches and exercises 3 to 4 times a week. Over time, you'll notice a huge difference in your posture and confidence. Fixing rounded shoulders takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. Less pain, better breathing, and a stronger, more confident you. Try these tips and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fitness and posture tips. See you next time.